Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm going to be giving you a look at this tabletop fire pit. So I'm going to show you the setup process and kind of the way my family loves to use this item. So you have your base here and it's a solid metal, so it's going to be very durable. And then you get a large cup for the fuel and a small cup with an extra piece of alcohol cotton. So depending on your flame size, you can pick which cup you want. If you are using the small cup, the large cup will also need to be inserted, and you'll just put the small cup inside of the large cup. And then you have your fire cover, so when you're ready to put the fire out, this is how you'll do it. And here are the glass panels that will get inserted into the base. So let's go ahead and get it all set up, and I'll show you what that looks like. So these very simply and easily slide into the little grooves marked on the top. Okay, so it wasn't wanting to go in the other way. You might have to play around with it just a little bit and make sure that they get pushed all the way in so that the top of it is nice and flush. So here's how it looks with the glass panels put in. And you can see it has this spiral design with the open edges so it can get air. And that's going to create a really beautiful effect for the flame as well. If you're wanting your big flame, just put the big cup in with the cotton, and the small cup already has the cotton in there, so we're going to start with that one. Now I got this ethanol fuel that's made for tabletop fire pits like this, and in the little user manual they do mention that they want alcohol of 95% concentration used, so this is going to be perfect for this. When you put your fuel in, you do want to make sure that you leave a little bit of space up at the top. Don't fill the little cups all the way up. You can either use a little torch like this and leave one of the panels out so that you can light it and then just place the panel back in, or you can use something with like a longer stem like this and you can simply reach inside and get it lit that way. So how beautiful is that? This is just the small flame, and you can see that it's creating this spiral effect in the flame because of the setup with the glass panels. It makes such a beautiful lighting effect, whether you are using it purely for that to create a really cozy and warm vibe in your space, whether it's indoors or outdoors. So I'm gonna let this sit and cool off, and then we will try out the large cup and see what kind of flame size we get. I used tweezers to pull out the cotton and move it to the large cup, and then I poured any remaining fuel from the small cup and topped it off with new fuel, and it was ready to light. I thought that the small flame was pretty magnificent, but this is even more so, and you can see the swirl in this one better. We really love this on our back porch, so we can sit by like a little fire. We can roast marshmallows if we want to with our little boy, but we even love kind of taking this out if we're creating more of like a camping vibe, or if we are going camping, we could pack this up and keep the materials so we can make sure that the glass panels stay nice and safe, and we could take it out and, you know, sit in nature with our camping chairs and roast marshmallows that way. So this is definitely a way to make a space feel more cozy, and it makes for a good entertaining piece. This is a great option if you guys were looking for something you could use around your home or even on the go. And the setup process is super easy and it's absolutely beautiful. So if you guys were looking for a really wonderful tabletop fire pit, this is a great choice. I would definitely give this a try.